Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of sine squared of x times cosine of x. Even though the power of sine is even, we still have a cosine factor. This suggests substitution. We set u equal to sine of x. Then du is cosine of x dx. Now rewrite the integral. So the integral becomes u squared du. Now integrate. We get u cubed divided by 3. Finally, substitute back. So we get sine cube of x divided by 3 plus c. Why does this work? Because the cosine term matches the derivative of sine. Quick takeaway. If cosine appears with powers of sine, substitution is often the best move.